Valley Forge. I'll show you what we're on with today in this blistering heat. We've got a lot of poppies, so we're doing this Dagenham Council job. So I've got a lot of sheet metal laser cut poppy shapes. Put them in the oven, gas mark 6 as usual, and I'm just going to put a couple of lines in them with chisel. Straight down middle there, and around and around. Put a bit of texture in them. So that they look nice and even. Put it back in. We've got some smaller ones here. Get that little one on there. These are smaller sizes. What I'm going to do is right in centre, corner to corner, corner to corner, a bit like Union Jack flag, and then just fill these little gaps in, because it's like a war memorial for Dagenham Parish Council, and this will be for all the unsung fallen heroes from their parish. So that's like a Union Jack in centre of those. And what we do, we've also got a few of these little rivets, just plain old rivets, 10mm. Get one of them in there, stick him in, put him in ritual all there like that. Get a different chisel, just go straight across again. So I've got a deep line in there, go crisscross. So these are going to like bind the leaves together. Another one across there. Just all to make it look a bit, there's a couple I made earlier. Just a bit of texture in them anyway. So we've got that. Bring these back out. Now they've had a bit of texture in them. So I'm just going to put a bit of life in these and bend them around this ball. A bit of a 80mm ball. Just give it a bit of a tap. Put them a bit of a life. And that there. So we've got that one. Bloody hell, it's warm up here. Woo! Get all that scale off. We're on fire again. So you get the gist, and then we put them through there. I'll show you, we'll just knock these together over here. So you've got your rivet, your small leaf, and your bigger leaf. And I'll just put a bit of sack on back. Like that. Watch your eyes. And then we'll just bevel that up. Get the lid on. Watch yourself. And that's pretty much a little poppy. So we're going to put them all these and build it all up with small ones on this side and larger ones on this side, and that's for this job here. It's all laid out down here for in grateful thanks to those from this parish who served our nation in times of conflict. So that's all for that. And just want to say thanks for liking and sharing this page last week. So we're going to do a bit of a draw for some lucky horseshoes. Now Southgate might want one of these for Saturday. So I'm just going to skiddy bob in here, the boss. So first person out who's a lucky horseshoe keyring is, I don't believe it, Geraldine Platt. She's a winner. Second one out, we'll give 3 of these out I think today. Second one out, oh, Julie Campbell! There you go! It's like it's a fix. Can't be a fix. In fact, one more lucky winner. Right, we're going to have this one for liking and sharing. One big do here. That one there, I'm just going to have. And this is Brian Trainer. So, 3 lucky horseshoes going out to them boys. So, come on England. We'll get them to you and make it Bob Swift, wasn't it? Go on, Abby.